Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September 15th, 2020, and what we're going to be showing today is how to cut your carrot tops down to produce larger carrots. So, I'm going to start cutting some of these down here. Now we let the new growth on, but we take a lot of the tops off. And what this will do is this is going to push the energy into the carrots instead of pushing it into the stalk. And you can see we did that with these here. So what this is doing now is this is pushing the energy into the carrots instead of putting it all into the foliage. So I just wanted to give you this quick tip. This is another way to help with producing larger carrots. Now, I do have videos on my channel for how we thin our carrots that will also help in producing the larger carrots. And bone meal helps them too. Bone meal has phosphorus in, and phosphorus helps to develop root systems on your plants. But in growing carrots and garlic and onions, it helps the bulbs to produce larger bulbs. Or in this case, it helps the carrots to produce larger carrots. So you can check those videos out on my channel. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!